Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Afternoon. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I can hear you too. Hey, welcome back to our class. And we are going to finish the lesson yesterday. Okay, what is our lesson yesterday?
Hello, teacher.
Hello?
Hello.
Sorry, my Vov got out in class. Wait a moment. I share my screen again. Wait.
Okay.
My Vov is not okay. It's loading. Okay, this is our lesson yesterday. What is it about? It's about our lesson yesterday, Lily, is tiny creatures. What is it?
Tiny
It's
creatures.
tiny creatures. What is, or what is the meaning of tiny creatures? What is it? It's about what is tiny creatures? What is it? So tiny creatures, those are the very, very small insects or animals that we cannot see with our eyes, but we can see those tiny creatures by using a microscope.
我们可以用显微镜看到这些微小的生物。
Okay, so we need to use a microscope to see them because they're very, very small. We cannot see it with our eyes. Okay. So now we finished with this one yesterday. It is about the grammar. Oh, this one. Okay, tiny creatures. So we have again the hummingbird. We have a hummingbird. What is this in the second picture? What's that? What's that? The second picture. It's an orange. What's that?
It's hummingbird.
Okay, hummingbird and okay, this is a hummingbird. How about this one? What is this?
It's
An orange. An orange. This one. What is it? An orange.
it's
Come
seahorse.
Horse. Yes, it is an orange seahorse. Next, this one.
It's water bear.
No, that is not a water bear. This one.
It's mites.
Mites. Mites. Where can we see mites? Where can we see mites? Where can we see them?
A light river.
No. The mites. The water bear, we can see the water bear in the water, in the river. How about the mites? Where can we see the mites?
Mite is in sea.
No. It's not in the sea. We can see it in our body, in our hair, in our skin. Okay? So that is so mites live in our body, such as the hair, the eyelashes. Okay. So here, they crawl in our skin. Okay, so we are finished with that. So mites and water bears are different. Okay, they are different with each other. Mites is tiny creatures live in our skin, in our hair. The water bears live in the fresh water, such as the sea, river, and lakes. Okay, let's now answer the activity number 9. So look at the picture and match, complete the sentences. So we have letter A. Letter A is adult. Tiny,
tiny,
pointed,
printed,
furry, furry, furry,
furry,
and strange, strange.
strange,
Okay, let's answer. So that's so cute. Look at how the adult elephant is standing over the body. So it is letter A, adult. Okay, you
adult,
choose A, B, C, D, E, the answer. Okay, go. Number 2.
The lady is sitting on the figure. It's so small. It's close B.
Okay. So the answer is letter B. Okay, so
C.
yes, the tiny. The answer is B. Number 2. The answer is B. The tiny or the small lizard is sitting on a finger. It's so small. Number 3. What is number 3?
Number 3, the lady has a long tongue.
The lizard has
That has D.
the lizard
Code
has
D.
a long tail. What does the tail look like?
D.
It's letter C. Furry. Ano is pointed.
Orange.
The lizard has a long pointed tail.
蜥蜴有一条长而尖的尾巴。
Okay, so letter C. Number 4.
Number 4. Do you see people on the blade of grass?
Do you see the
Do you see
A, B, C, D, E, F?
F?
Okay, so what you call this? Spotted. What's that?
Spotted.
Spotted ladybug on the blade of the grass. Number, number 5.
The little fairy monkey is beautiful.
Okay, the little furry monkey is beautiful. So when we say furry, it has lots of hair. Furry monkey. This one.
毛茸茸的猴子。
Okay. Next.
Look at that strong tree in the water.
Strange.
Strange tree in the
Creature. In the water.
E.
In the water. Where is its head? So it is letter E. Okay. So the answer is A, B, C, F, D, and E. We have the letter A, adult. What does this word mean? Adult. Shemayans. Shemayas.
I don't know.
Okay, adult is like your mom, your dad. They are adult. They are already big. It is means it's older than you. So Lily is not an adult. What are you? So Lily is you read this one. What are you? You are a teenager. You are
Teenager.
a teenager.
你是个青少年。
Okay, so you are a teenager. Your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt, they are adult. Okay? Okay, they are already big. So next is tiny. What is tiny? What is tiny? What is tiny? What does it mean? Tiny.
Tiny. Is small.
Okay, is small. Tiny, it means it is small. Next is pointed. Pointed. What is the meaning of pointed?
I don't know.
Okay, so pointed. Can you see this one? This one, you see the one I circled? That is pointed. Pointed.
尖。
Okay, chin, it's pointed. Okay, look at the lizard's tail. The lizard's tail is pointed. It's like, look like this. Okay, next is furry and then strange. Use furry in a sentence. Lily. Okay. Use the word furry in a sentence.
I like foreign animals.
Okay, I like furry animals. So the animals, like example, the dog, the cat, the rabbit, and the hamster, they have fur or furry. Okay, so we are finished with the words here. Okay, next we are going to learn is the grammar. Okay, so we have this one. Make it big. Okay, so our grammar is describing the creatures.
描述生物。
So, in our opinion, okay, you can write, is it cute, strange, common, beautiful, and then the size. What are the example of size? So example is big, small, tiny, large, and many more. So the age, we have young, adult, baby, old, that is the age. The shape, what is the shape of the animal? So the animal have a pointed tail. The animal have a round ears and many more. And then we have the color of the animal, the color of the creature. Next is pattern. Pattern of the animal skin. Example,
动物皮的图案，
stripe, spotted. How about the zebra? So zebra have a pattern. What is the pattern of zebra? It is stripe. The zebra have a black and white pattern. It is stripe. Origin, where does this creature or animal come from? So example, the kangaroo comes from Australia. The elephant comes from the Africa. The panda comes from China. So that is the origin. Next is the material. What do they look like? Do they have a lot of hair, hairy, furry, and many more? Next is the thing. So it's creatures, ears, spiders, and bugs. Complete the sentences. Example. These cute gray furry animals are called marmosets. So look at the words above. So we can first see the opinion. Next is the color. Next is the material is furry. Arrange based on the graph.
根据图表排列，
Okay, number 2.
That coincides with the painted black line. Inside with the painted black line. Attends is a friendly.
Okay, so the correct one here is the first word is long. This is the one. The long pointed is 2 and then 3 is black, the color. Okay, you read again. Say it again. The insect with, okay, go. The insect with, sure. It's
The inside with the long
pointed
painted black
antenna.
is friendly.
Firefly. Firefly. Say it again. This one. Shema, firefly. What's this? Firefly.
Firefly.
萤火虫，
火虫, firefly. Okay? So, we will continue this lesson tomorrow, Lily, because we don't have time. Shajenda Allah. So, let's finish this lesson tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for today's class, Lily. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. See you next class. See you tomorrow. Thank you.